Heritage hotels offer a unique blend of history, culture, and personalized service, making them ideal for a unique and special travel experience.
If you found this content useful, please follow us. Step back in time and immerse yourself in authentic architecture and savor local cuisine. And also experience the touch of the past. Feel how people lived in those days. It's truly a nostalgic journey.
Escape a modern world's hustle and bustles in the peaceful atmosphere of these hotels.
Nestled in the heart of historical texture, these hotels putting you close to iconic attractions of the city. For a truly special stay, choose a traditional hotel
where history and charm come together.
Yazd, a museum without a roof.